St. Justinian the Emperor, commemorated on November 14th. St. Justinian, a major figure in the history of the Byzantine state, was also a great champion of Orthodoxy, a builder of churches, and a church writer. He was born in the Roman province of Illyricum. During his reign, 527-565, Byzantium won glory with military victories in Persia, Africa, and Italy, as a result of which paganism was decisively routed among the Germanic Vandals and Visigoth tribes. By command of the Emperor Justinian, the pagan schools in Athens were closed. Justinian sent John, the bishop of Ephesus, throughout the regions of Asia Minor with the aim of spreading Christianity. John baptized more than 70,000 pagans. The emperor gave orders to build 90 churches for the newly converted, and he generously supported church construction within the empire. His finest structures of the time are considered to be St. Catherine's Monastery at Sinai and the Church of Hagia Sophia at Constantinople. Under St. Justinian, many churches were built dedicated to our Most Holy Lady Theotokos. Since he had received a broad education, St. Justinian assiduously concerned himself with the education of clergy and monks, ordering them to be instructed in rhetoric, philosophy, and theology. The right-believing sovereign devoted much attention and effort to the struggle with the Origenists of his time, who then were reviving the Nestorian heresy. To counter their heretical speculations, the church hymn, Only-Begotten Son and Immortal Word of God, who for our salvation, was composed, and Justinian commanded that it be sung in the churches. From that time to the present day, this hymn is sung at the Divine Liturgy before the small entrance after the second antiphon. At the command of the sovereign, the Fifth Ecumenical Council was convened in the year 553, censuring the teachings of Origen and affirming the definitions of the Fourth Ecumenical Council at Chalcedon. He also attempted to secure religious unity within the empire through his unsuccessful dialogues with the non-Chalcedonians. The Holy Emperor Justinian wished to have orderly rule and law within the realm. Under his guidance and supervision, a complete compendium of Roman law was compiled. It has come down to us as a law codex known as the Justinian Codex. In his personal life, St. Justinian was strictly pious, and he fasted often. During Great Lent, he would not eat bread nor drink wine. He is also remembered for promoting the idea of symphony between church and state. The Holy Emperor Justinian died in the year 565.
Ave